To create a learning hub in Obsidian, you'll be building a centralized workspace for all your study materials and resources. Okay, let's get started. Obsidian's Learning Hub feature allows you to organize your notes, courses, and resources into a connected system so you can quickly find exactly what you need. This is incredibly useful whether you're studying for exams, building new skills, or just trying to keep track of your learning journey. And if you find this helpful, please like and subscribe, and let's get started. First, we're going to create the foundational folder structure. Open Obsidian, then navigate to your preferred vault. In the File Explorer sidebar, create 3 new folders: Courses, Notes, and Resources. The Courses folder will hold your main course materials, the Notes folder will be for your study notes, and the Resources folder will house supporting materials like articles and links. Now, let's create the Learning Hub note itself. Inside the Courses folder, create a new note called Learning Hub. Within this note, structure it with headings for current courses, learning goals, study schedule, recent notes, resources, quick links. This central hub will serve as your main dashboard, giving you an overview of everything you're working on. Think of it as your command center for all things learning. Next, let's build out the Notes folder. Create a note called Study Notes within the Notes folder. This note will be your primary repository for summarizing lessons and key concepts. Structure it with sections for lesson summaries, key concepts, questions, practice notes, and related topics. This systematic approach helps you actively engage with the material and internalize the information. Following that, we'll create the resource library. Inside the Resources folder, create a note called Resource Library. This note will organize all your external resources, books, articles, videos, and helpful links, making them easily accessible when you need them. Structure it with sections for books, articles, videos, useful links, and notes. Now it's time to connect these notes. Within your Learning Hub note, start linking to your study notes and resource library notes. Use Obsidian's internal linking feature. Just select the text you want to link and press Ctrl+Shift+N or KMD+Shift+N on a Mac. This connects your learning process and creates a network of knowledge. Okay, let's add some organizational tools. Within each of your notes, the Learning Hub, Study Notes, and Resource Library, you can add properties. These are metadata tags that help you categorize and filter your information. Useful properties include subject, status, for example, in progress, complete, difficulty, date started, last reviewed, and category. You can add these as properties directly within the notes. Next, let's introduce tags. Tags are another way to categorize your notes, offering a flexible way to group related materials. Create tags like study, course, research, practice, and reference. Apply these tags to your notes to quickly locate relevant information. Don't over-tag, focus on the most important categories. Let's break down your workflow. First, add any new courses or subjects to your Learning Hub. Second, create study notes as you learn new topics within the Study Notes note. Third, save supporting materials in the resource library. Finally, review and update your notes regularly to reinforce your understanding and keep your Learning Hub organized. Now, let's go deeper on connecting notes. When reviewing a concept, link it to the specific course note, the relevant study note, and any related resources. This interconnectedness is key to building a knowledge base that grows naturally as you learn. Make sure the links are descriptive. Something like key concepts is more effective than just a generic link. Don't forget about properties and tags. Regularly update the status property to track your progress. Use category to organize your notes by subject or topic. Experiment with different tag combinations to find what works best for your learning style. Finally, to ensure you have a robust Learning Hub, consider creating templates for recurring note types, such as course notes or resource summary. Templates save you time and ensure consistency in your note-taking style. Also, archive completed courses instead of deleting them. You might need them for reference later. Remember, a Learning Hub is a dynamic system. It's not a static collection of notes. It's a living, evolving knowledge base. Regularly review, update, and reorganize your materials to keep your Learning Hub relevant and effective. Creating a Learning Hub in Obsidian helps you organize your study materials, learning resources, notes, and progress in one connected workspace. A Learning Hub is a centralized system. Instead of keeping notes, articles, books, and study materials scattered across different folders or applications, you can organize everything inside Obsidian and connect related topics using internal links. Whether you're learning a new skill, studying for school, or completing professional training, a learning hub helps you keep your information organized and easy to review.